How to use credit balance in Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can use credit balance on Temu. So if you're also wondering and you want to use the credit balance in Temu, you can just follow up this method. Head over to the Temu application, and once you are under there, in the bottom you can find the U tab. So all you need to do is go to the U tab. So once you're under U, here under this section, you'll be finding the credit balance option right here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be finding your credit balance right here if you have added your credit card. So all you need to do is go ahead and add your credit balance right here. And after that is done, your payment method right here. And after that is done, you need to check out with the products that you're trying to purchase from Temu. So after that, you can just select up a payment method, and that is how you basically add up your credit balance and check out. So that is how you use your credit balance on Temu, by following up this method easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.